Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did this makeup on a plane. It was my first experience doing makeup on a plane. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here I'm using a sheet mask. It keeps your skin hydrated and it doesn't dry out the skin. So I'll keep this mask on my face for almost 15 to 20 minutes and massage it gently and leave it dry. Once my skin is completely dry, I am moving towards my eyebrow. And for that, I'm using an ankle brush and gel eyeliner from Maybelline. So here I'm using this tape to get this perfect eyeshadow, and I'll be using a palette from Maybelline. So here I'm using this lighter shade all over my eye, this brown color on my crease line, and this dark chocolate shade on outer corner of my eye. From the same palette, I'll be using this golden shade for the inner corner of my eye. For liner, I'm using a gel eyeliner from Maybelline. So when you remove the tape, this is how it looks like, and I'll be using the same gel eyeliner for my waterline and a brown shade for the lower lash line. For my face, I'm using this illuminating highlighter from Maybelline and a foundation from Nykaa, and I'll blend it with the help of my finger. Here is my suggestion: instead of using a liquid foundation, always go for a stick foundation. Now I'm using a concealer from NY Bay and using it on my under eye as well as on my dark spots and pigmentation. And now I'll blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Setting my concealer with a compact powder only on my under eye. Contouring my face with the help of a brush. Here I'm using a Maybelline Master Contour Palette. From the same palette, I'll be using the blush also. Using same palette to highlight my cheekbones. And for my lips, I'm using these shades from Colorbar and some mascara, and that's it. This is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and keep watching my videos. Bye bye.